folks, I'm Sir Charles Cary, national trainer, speaker, and author, and today I want to talk to you about clear, open, honest, and direct communication. You see, no matter what you're doing or who you're doing it with, you need to have clear, open, honest, and direct communication, because the person that you're working with, you want them to understand what it is you're doing, where it is you're coming from, and how to get a thing done, whatever it may be that you're working on. Whether it's day-to-day activities, whether it's the big show, meaning a conference, a training, or a paid event, you've got to be clear about your intentions and clear about your expectations and clear about what you're doing. Now, the open part, you need to be open because, again, it's almost like the clear part. If you're not open to share the information that's required, the information that will help a task be done or be completed, you're not giving yourself or the people or the person that you're working with the benefit of the doubt of finishing their part of the journey or the task in a good fashion, meaning that the more open you are with a person, the more resources they have, the more they can meet you either halfway or just meet you at the end of the goal together, versus them having to pull information with you, do guesswork. That's a counterproductive relationship, and it's counterproductive understanding, if you will. So, direct. Just tell the person. You want to be direct. If you tell someone clearly what something is, they don't have to figure it out. They don't have to do research. They don't have to guess, because you've given them the information. You've been clear, you've been open, and you've been direct. You're using words that accurately and adequately express what's going on or express what's needed. It makes a working relationship so much easier. And it doesn't matter whether it's your partner, a contractor, or your client. You want to be as direct as possible. Now, the honest part, well, I'm leaving that for last, because why shouldn't you be honest? You're in business to be productive, and honesty or dishonesty is counterproductive. So of course you should be honest. And I understand that we're all different. We have different feelings and emotions. However, if you want the best out of someone, you have to give them the best of you. So it goes back to the golden rule. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Clear, open, honest, and direct. Or clear, open, direct, and honest. I'm Sir Charles Cary, and as I always tell you, radiate the brain and change the game.